So to get our phonics brains working today, I'm going to write some digraphs out in my handwriting. I think I did it last week too, just so you can see what it should look like in normal handwriting. And you just shout at the screen what sound those digraphs make. Off you go. A. Oo, you. Ow. You, oo. O. I, good, well done. Or. And another. Or, good. E. W. E. Look, I've underlined these because they make the same sound. E-Y-E at the end. E-A-E in the middle of words. Super job, last two. Oi. And well done, everybody. Well done, everybody. Now, you're nearly at the end of learning phase 5 with me. We've whizzed all the way through phase 5, so I'm hoping that you're really getting to grips with those digraphs now. Really well done. Now, we're moving on to something really grown up called a split digraph. Some of you might have done it with me already, but we only touched upon it very briefly. Okay, so a split digraph. If you think you know what that is already, shout it to me. Try and explain it to me. I'm hearing a lot of good ideas. Some of you don't know, but that's okay. Hey, let's find out. Let's look at our first split digraph of the week. Hey, these are the letters A and E next to each other, and they are usually best friends, and they make the A sound. Say it with me. A, A, A. But just like all friends, sometimes they fall out and they have an argument and they do not want to sit next to each other anymore. So they have to have a friend come along and sit in between them to stop them from arguing. But they still make the A sound. So we need something here to stop them from arguing. But they still make the A sound. So have a look here. The P has split them up, but it still says A, P, ape. So not sat next to each other anymore, but still making that A sound. Hey, so here we have our two best friends, the letter A and the letter E, usually best friends. Hello, A, 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 A. But when they have an argument, they need to be split up, and somebody put in between them. Has it ever happened to you at school? Maybe. It's happened to me. But they're still friends really, so they still make the A sound. So just like we saw there. My pen's not working. Let me see if I can get another one. Found a nice blue crayon. Is that okay? Here we go. Still got the A, but sometimes another letter will sit in between them. This time I'm going to use the M, but they still make the A sound. So we've got to spot them in words. You've got to spot a split digraph and see, oh, I can see these two friends that are falling out here. So I've got to go A, M, aim. Got it? It's not easy, but I have faith in you that you can do it. Are you ready to take it up to Planet Phonics, that A split digraph? Let's go. Ready? Hats on. Seatbelts on. Strap yourselves in. Remember our fuel is A. 3, 2, 1. A. 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 Nearly there, everybody. Get ready to spot those split digraphs in the alien names. And your turn. My turn. Z, l, ape, zlape. Everybody. Z, l, ape, zlape. Hello, Slape. Your turn. My turn. Aches, fakes. Your turn. Hello, fakes. That was a tricky one. I left that one up to you. Off you go. My turn. Ch-ale, chail. Everybody, I'll help you this time. Ch-ale, chail. Hello, chail. And last one, your turn. My turn. Ape, mape. Everybody. Ape, mape. Hello, mape. Oh, what does this mean? What is going on? This isn't what usually happens. They've interrupted us. I'm just listening to them now. I can hear their little alien squeaks. Okay, they think that this split digraph is going to be a little bit challenging today. So they would really like you to teach them how to speed read. And that just makes you really, really good at reading because you practice the same sound in different words very, very quickly. Okay, so I'm going to show you some speedy words and you have got to try and read them. But it's easy because you know they're all going to have the split digraph A in. Are you ready for the challenge? Off you go. Hey, welcome to Speed Read. In a minute, you're going to have to look at the screen really carefully and words are going to flash up. You've very quickly got to sound them out, blend them together and ready for the next one. As I said, we know that they've all got the split digraph A in. Sitting up nice and straight. Super job, everybody. This is how I did it. Well, ache, wake, ache, fake, ache, rake, ache, make, ape, tape, ape, shape, aid, spade, and ache, shake. Give yourselves a fantastico. It was a super duper job. Don't worry if you didn't get it all because I showed you afterwards what the words should sound like. So now you know. So now we can get back to alien school. Listen for that bell. Hey, what could this word be? Obviously, cake. K-A-K, cake. So that line there that looks like an upside down rainbow, that shows us that's where our split digraph should be. K-A-K, cake. You see that sound, that single sound in the middle that's splitting up the split digraph. K-A-K. So K is stopping the A from arguing. Here we go. A cake. Check it with me. A cake. Good job. What could the next one be? I have a feeling I'm not going to like it. What is it? Good, it's a snake. snake, 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 snake. My sounded like a slithery snake then. Off he goes. A snake. Check it with me. A snake. Well done. And last one, what could it be? Ooh. Well, I don't know if you shouted flame, but there's more than one. So it's flame. So you've actually got a s after the split digraph. A, in between the A sound and s at the end. A, ms. This is how I did it. A, s. Flames. Check it with me, please. A, s. Flames. Super duper job. My favourite time of day again, the alien's diary. So this time we know that they are going to have included some words with the split digraph A in. So as you're sounding it out and reading, try and spot them, please. Enjoy reading the diary. Off you go. Super reading, everybody. The split digraph A words I spotted were A's, maze, brave, brave, shade, shade, and safe, safe. Jazz hands ready. Yesterday I went in a big maze. I had to be very brave. It got a little bit too hot, so I sat in the shade to stay safe. What an exciting day trip the alien had. Have you ever been in a maze? You have? Some of you have, some of you haven't. I have, and I got my whole family really, really lost. I was not very good in the maze, and also it was on a really hot day, so I would have loved to have sat down safely in the shade. Maybe you can go in a maze one day if you haven't already, but be safe. Be very, very safe. Okay, really well done. Split digraphs are not always easy because they're a little bit tricky to spot. It's really easy to maybe sit in something like this and say ame, but actually you've just got to read ahead or think ahead and remember those split digraphs. That's the key. Remember that they exist and you sometimes have to look out for them. But really well done. Now time to get me home safely. You know this bit scares me, so drive very carefully as we shoot back to Earth. Are you ready? Hats on. Seatbelts on. I'm doing mine extra tight. Strap yourselves in. Fuel is A. Good. 3, 2, 1. A. 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 We're nearly home. We did it. I can hear, you can probably hear it as well, my neighbour mowing his lawn. So we're definitely back on Earth. I'm very sorry if you've heard some strange sounds in the video today. There's a lot going on today. I think Planet Phonics was very, very busy, but hopefully you can hear me. And don't forget, if you want to go back and look at some more words, practice them again, read the diary again, you can do. This is a video. It's the beauty of YouTube. You can go and watch things again. You can pause them if you need to have a bit more of a practice. If you don't need to, absolutely fine. I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.